Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming where they were last connected and enabling Find My on your iPhone. This gives you a starting point. Once done, turn on Bluetooth and keep your phone charged so the signal won't drop. Make the first pass quickly. Scan obvious zones, bed, couch cushions, laundry, jacket pockets, while silently listening for any hint or movement. Move deliberately and mark cleared areas. You do this to narrow the search footprint before more detailed techniques. Now you escalate by using the Find My Play sound feature. This leverages the Airpods speaker and is often decisive. If they're offline, walk with your phone and watch Bluetooth signal strength. Slightly raise and lower the phone to detect changes. Closer equals stronger signal. Sweep rooms slowly with a flashlight and check under furniture, inside couch seams and vents. Ask someone to stand in another room to listen or to watch the Find My map while you search different angles. Finish by rechecking unusual hiding places, trash bins, pockets under bed slats, and laundry appliances, because AirPods often end up where you least expect them. Make sure to toggle Bluetooth and restart your phone. Other nearby Apple devices can also update location to Find My, so check them. If they remain missing, set them as lost in Find My to get notifications and a contact message. One troubleshooting tip: if sound plays but you can't hear it,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.